Blueface allegedly shoots at man in truck. Let's see. Blueface's attempted murder arrest Monday is based on an incident on October 8th, where he's accused of pulling a gun and shooting at the driver of a truck, and TMZ has obtained video of the incident. The clip shows the rapper outside a Las Vegas club last month when a truck suddenly pulls up at Blueface and his crew before flooring it away. Blueface allegedly pulls out a weapon in the vid and fires it multiple times at the driver as they sped off. According to sources at the venue, we're told the unknown driver walked into the club earlier and the rapper's crew, who had allegedly been drinking, attacked him. It's not clear what started the alleged altercation, but we're told Blueface wasn't directly involved in the fight. After the beatdown, we're told the man retreated to the truck and pulled up on Blueface and his crew as they were leaving. Our sources say the man asked, "Who hit me?" And that's when the shots rang out. From there, you see the truck speed off. Let's see it. Here's the truck. I hope they have clearer footage than that in the courtroom, but something went down. Something went down there. What did you see? Let me know in the comments.
Blueface is behind bars here in Las Vegas this morning in connection to a shooting that happened last month. Metro named him as a suspect in a shooting on October 8th. The 25-year-old, whose legal name is Jonathan Porter, was booked on warrants for attempted murder with a deadly weapon and discharging a firearm at or into an occupied structure. Police have not shared any details about the alleged victim or how they connected the rapper to this attack. He is due in court this morning.
Porter 22CR049567. Is your true name Jonathan Jamal Porter?
Yes.
Mr. Porter, the state has filed a criminal complaint charging you with attempt murder with use of deadly weapon, discharging firearm at or into occupied structure or vehicle. These are two felony offenses. Did you receive a copy of that criminal complaint this morning? I see the counsel here. Our next different counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor. Proceedable account. Oh, I'm sorry. I'll go ahead and take over. We met with Mr. Porter. He lives in Los Angeles. We asked about use of a wheel. He said, obviously, allegations in this case are of the nature that bail would be set in the ordinary course. So we asked that that happen. We also agreed to no contact with the victim in this case. Is to have his.
Let me hear the state's position on custody status, and then I'll hear further representations from defense counsel.
And Your Honor, the state will be requesting bail in the amount of $75,000. According to the NPR, the defendant is a moderate risk to defend. It looks like he does not really have ties to California. He also has a bench warrant issued out of Good Springs in case 20M CG006161. He also does have a prior misdemeanor conviction. The instant offense, the charges here are violent in nature. The defendant, during the course of an argument, pulls out a gun and shoots at a vehicle that's actually driving away. So based upon the nature of the charges in this case, the defendant's lack of ties to this community and
Thank you. I do see that he's also in custody on a 2020 Good Springs no registration bench warrant, pending bench warrant return. I'll next different.
So, Your Honor, obviously that's a traffic incident and it's a registration offense, so that we can deal with through the Good Springs Court. I mean, obviously he's entitled to bail on that, right? And I don't necessarily think that the $75,000 bail is inappropriate. I think 50 would also be appropriate. He does live in Los Angeles. He's willing to agree that he would only come to Las Vegas for the purposes of resolving this court hearing in this case. So if the court wants to set that condition, that is fine. But otherwise, I submit to the court. I think 50,000 is equally.
I have to take into consideration a number of factors here. There does appear to be an indication of employment. I was mentioning in the arrest, the request for an arrest warrant. He was arrested on an outstanding warrant on a much less serious case. He's likely to be released at the age of 25. He appears to have a minimal history, if any. Looks like an arrest in 2016 and a misdemeanor conviction. It looks like he's got a number of people supporting him in the courtroom today, including, I've been told, a fiance and some friends and some business associates. I am going to set bail in this case based on the nature of the charges. The allegations are quite serious and could have been much worse. 50,000 is a reasonable amount of bail. Bail will be set in the amount of 50,000 cash and surety. It's likely that Mr. Porter is going to make that bail amount. Upon his release, he is ordered to comply with standard conditions of release. He's ordered to stay away from and have no contact with Cantavius Trailer, the alleged victim of this case. Obviously, that shouldn't be a problem. Mr. Porter, you're advised, and you will be advised in writing, that if you violate that order through any means, including third parties or any other means, that would likely revoke your release. There could be other penalties. You must stay out of trouble. That's a condition of anyone's release. Of course, stay in contact with your attorneys, and of course, make the necessary court appearances that they advise you to make. If you fail to comply, a warrant for your arrest could issue. You would face extradition back to the state of Nevada, from California, or wherever else you may be found. You understand everything, Mr. Porter?
Yes.
All right, counsel, based on my ruling here today, how would you like to proceed? We'll set the matter for preliminary hearing. Okay, thank you. We'll set the matter for preliminary hearing in your
January 24th, 9:30.
And quick on Parker Honor, the Good Springs, the traffic matter will not hold him in custody, right?
I don't know. I don't think it should. I think they have remote appearances for those types of cases at the detention center, but likely he's going to be released on a misdemeanor traffic offense.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.